Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Ayush from Easy French with Ayush. And today, what we are going to learn, we are going to exercise from the numbers. So, the people who don't understand the numbers in French, they can refer to my old videos. A few time back, I've created a couple of videos for numbers, and in those videos, I've informed thoroughly what exactly you need to do in order to understand the numbers in French. So, in a summary, I can tell you that in French, there are only 60 numbers are available. Like you can only understand till 60, and after that, there will be some calculation which I've explained in my other videos. So you should go ahead and check the videos, and I will also go ahead and mention that in my description, so you can also check it from there. So today, what we are going to do, we are going to do a this exercise where you can see that what we exactly need to do. This is a number 1 to 100, and what we need to do, we have some numbers over here like 12, 74, 15, 4, 60, 22. So these are the number we have to just place it in their ascending number. So what we are going to do, first of all, we have to find out which is the least number. I can find it. Et 12, 74, 115, 4, 122. Okay, 0. That's great. Let's just place it up. Then after that, 0, I can see cap. Let's just place it over here. And after cap, I can see wheat, which is 8. So 0 is 0, wheat, cap is 4, wheat is 8, then I guess deuce, which is 12, and after that, cans, which is 15, then soixante, soixante, no, I don't think, 6, that soixante or 60, so I don't think soixante will come up. I guess we have to place taunt, which is 30. Let's just place it over here. And after that, taunt cat, 34. Then taunt Caron. I believe Caron. Yep, Caron. Toi. So let's just place it over here. Caron. Sancon. Sancon. Great. And then we can see Soixante. Uh, Catherine. Okay. Let's just put it up. Soixante, I believe Soixante will be there. Then Soixante means 70. Don't worry about it. I will, guys, go ahead and tell you all the numbers again. And then I believe there will be Vanda. Okay, I believe Vanda will be at the top after two scans. Yeah, Vanda, Taunt, Taunt Cats, Saw will be bottom. Get Vandy's number. Okay, okay, let's just start it. Then 0 is 0, cat is 4, wheat is 8, deuce is 12, Kansas 15, Vandal 22, and taunt is 30, taunt cat is 34, Caron toi, seta 43. Then there's a soixante quatorze means 50, sorry, 74. Okay, 14 scans, exactly 74. Then second enough. No, there is some problem. I believe it will be down because after Caron there will be Sancon, which is 59. Then this is a Soissons, and then Soissons 14. Oh wait, Soissons these, and then Soissons 14. Then what the hell? What? is going on? Actually, there's some problem, I believe. Cat one. Okay, no, everything is all right then. Great. Zero cat wheat 0 cat 4 wheat 8 deuce 12 cans 15 Vamdu 22 ton 30 34 uh, 43 59 60 70 74 and then 80 90 100. Let's just check the test. Oh, you can see everything is correct. Great mark. That is 100 out of 100. That's great. So, guys, if you have any issues or anything, just go through my videos. I will go ahead and mention it. You can also see at the top of the list, you can see the video reference. You can go through with that. You can see the videos which where I've explained the numbers. I believe you will get a lot of help from there. And I will see you guys again with my next video. I will try to get it better. So, thank you so much and au revoir.